Hi there, how are you? We are making Spongy Kulche and Chole today. Looks mouth-watering, doesn't it? You can make this popular street food from Delhi easily at home. Come, let's begin. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. I've taken a cup and I'll add in 3 teaspoons of dry active yeast, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of plain flour. Add in about half a cup of lukewarm water. Mix it well till the yeast dissolves. And keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm using 2 cups of plain flour for the dough and I'll season it with a bit of salt. You could use a mix of plain flour and wheat flour, a tablespoon of oil. Give it a mix. After 15 minutes, this is how the yeast mixture looks. That's become active and frothing up. Give it a final mix. Add it into the flour. Mix it well. That needs more water. Add in lukewarm water a little at a time to make a soft dough. That has all come together. So just take it out on your work surface. It's quite sticky at this stage, not to worry. Use a bit of vegetable oil to get the dough going and knead it till it's smooth and soft. Use more oil as required. And you'll get to this stage. Oil the bowl and place the dough inside. Bit more oil on top. Cover it with cling film and let it rest for 45 minutes to an hour or till the dough almost doubles in size. Look at the dough, it has risen very well. Dusting of flour on the work surface. We need to knock out the air that has built up. Shape it back into a ball and divide the dough. I am looking at making small sized kulcha breads. So I'd like to get about 10 balls from this dough. Roll out each piece into a log and get 5 portions from them. Make sure that the portions are fairly even in size. Use a dusting of flour to help with the rolling. Cover the rest. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Some finely chopped coriander leaves gives it a nice flavor. That's ready. I'll keep it aside. Next one. Some nigella seeds. Similarly, just roll out the rest of them. Cook the kulchas on medium heat on a flat pan. That's starting to puff up and you can see little bubbles appearing all over it. We'll give it some more time. The bubbles are growing bigger in size. If you can see them, drizzle a tiny bit of oil on top and just flip it over Press lightly. That looks nice and done. So just take it off the heat. Keep it aside. The next one goes in. That looks done. Take it off the heat. Similarly, cook the rest of them. That's how the kulcha looks from inside. For the chole, heat some oil, add in finely chopped onions. Cook till they are light brown in color. That's perfect. Add in some tomato paste. A teaspoon of garlic paste. Teaspoon of grated ginger. Teaspoon of chole masala. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it up. Add in a bit of water. Cook till the oil starts separating. I'll crush and add in a bit of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek. The masala is looking good. Add in the chole or the boiled chickpeas, boiled matar or dehydrated green peas. I have mashed slightly and I'm going to add this in as well. Mix everything up. The matar will not only add to the gravy but also give it a different flavor. Season with salt. I'll just mash up a few kabuli chana as well. Give it all a mix. I'll just add in about half a cup of water and let this simmer away. It's been about a minute now and I'll add in my secret ingredient. That's a small boiled potato. Just mash it up, break it up, add it into the gravy. I need a slight gravy, so I'm adding in a bit more water. Finish off with a sprinkling of garam masala. That's ready. Turn off the heat. Green chutney. This is a coriander and pudina chutney. Chopped onions. Chopped tomatoes. A wedge of lime. Sprinkling of chaat masala on top. Serve the chole kulche hot, as a snack or as a light meal. Enjoy!